it's a type of situation where we try to whet the appetite of our students to get a feel of what our ancestors lived like in the past.
It's fun to go to a big city, but I wouldn't want to live there. And the things that I get to do are really different from most kids in the city or something.
We'd like to introduce the kids to a variety of opportunities and activities in Juneau, including the natural environment and people.
The detail of these carved figures demonstrates the individuality of each of these totem poles. This figure, for example, is Spirit Man and represents the 5 powerful spirit men of the Wooshkaton village at Berners Bay. Hello, I'm Scott Foster. Welcome to Rain Country. Understanding detail is one of the purposes behind a yearly gathering near Haines, where Chilkoot elders teach young people traditional Native values, as well as pride in themselves and their accomplishments.
People come out here to fish, see that hook there. Catch sockeye and stuff.
I told them our children needs it to learn about our land, what our grandfather used to do. So this is what we try, to leave it open for the children. That's why they used to tell me, keep it open, this Chilkoot, and show to the children what we try to teach you.
The Chilkoot Culture Camp was founded in 1984 by Chief Austin Hammond to teach his grandchildren traditional ways of living. With guidance from Native elders and camp counselors, young students from all walks of life come to the village site of the Sockeye clan on the Chilkoot River to learn the Chilkoot culture through a variety of activities.
Today we made drums. Mine isn't done yet. Today I also moved out of the camper. Today we went running half a mile. Can you believe that, half a mile? We are going to tell stories. I think Grandpa is going to tell them.
You gotta watch your word, what you're gonna say. So I try to make fun of the loon, that young girl sitting there on that big garden. The loon came up across on the other side. Oh. The girl is smiling. That loon loves me. He's calling on me. His mother pushed him down. Don't say that. It's no good. What they working? She's in the middle. What they working? Lunchtime.